Hey everyone. This is an orbit tracker for the International Space Station built using an Arduino Uno R4. The idea for this came from a YouTube channel called Practical Engineering. He built an Arduino space station tracker. Sorry, I don't think it was an Arduino, but a similar platform to an Arduino. And I wanted to recreate it as a project. I reached out to him and asked how he was getting the coordinates of the space station and of his tracker location. And he told me they were hard-coded, and he recommended that I could use Wi-Fi to upgrade and iterate on his design. So after a few iterations, I created a design. So this is a 3D printed box using an Arduino R4 Uno Wi-Fi. And essentially what this does is it's just a two-dimensional, a three-dimensional pointer, sorry, but it has two axes. So it has an azimuth here, which rotates to the bearing, and then an elevation using a servo motor. So the azimuth is a NEMA 17 stepper motor connected via this pulley system. So I'll turn it on and show you. So here I've plugged it in and I'll switch it on. This is going to try to get GPS data. It might fail because we're indoors, but it does have a backup data hard-coded, which is accurate to my position. So if it fails, we'll still get an accurate location. This is the GPS antenna here. It's quite small, but it is an active antenna. So it got the correct date from the satellite, but it couldn't get the location, probably because we're indoors. So it's connected to Wi-Fi. It's fetching the International Space Station data. The data is successfully passed. And now it's going to rotate to true north to calibrate itself. And then once we know what true north is, we will start pointing. Yep. Wow, so it looks like the ISS is actually about horizon level. So it's 2,000 kilometers away. This project is open source. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me, and you can find the code on GitHub and all the 3D printable files and a parts list so you can make it yourself. Thanks.